up, y'all? This is Jordan with Be Ready Self-Defense, and today we're gonna go over one of my favorite upper body calisthenic workouts, and we're gonna throw some martial arts in there because you know how we do on this channel. Now, if you haven't already, a couple months ago I posted fireworks. Now, a couple months back, I posted a video on the reason why I like calisthenics for martial arts. So go ahead, go back and watch that video. I'll put the link up here or in the description if you want to check it out. It's just my opinion on it. Some people kind of took it a little too seriously, but anyway, it's just why I think bodyweight exercise goes along with martial arts really well. So that last video and this video, I'm gonna put in a calisthenics bodyweight exercises playlist for y'all to check out in the future. I'll continue to make more and put it in that playlist. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on if you don't already, so you can get more workouts in the future. So let's go ahead and move on to what we're gonna need for our workout today. And this is one of my favorite workouts, guys, because it's really simple. And we're really only gonna do 3 main exercises. So first thing you're gonna need is something to do pull-ups on. Whether it's an actual pull-up bar, whether it's one that goes in the door frame, or if it's a tree or a playground somewhere, it doesn't matter. We also have a video on the Titan Fitness pull-up bar, just as good as a Rogue Fitness pull-up bar, but cheaper. So I'll put that video up here and in the description as well. But you'll need a pull-up bar for pull-ups, and then you will need something to do dips on. Whether it is a dip bar, or if you have an Olympic ring setup, that also works. Or if you have neither of those, even if it's just 2 chairs of the same height, just something of the same height that you can do dips on. And then the last thing is you'll just need some open space to do some push-ups. So that's it. So that's our workout, guys. We're gonna do 3 to 5 sets. Hey buddy, I don't know, should he be the Be Ready mascot? Fight Tips already has a dog, but it's a husky. I don't know. We'll see. Canelo. So anyway, we're gonna be doing pull-ups, dips, and push-ups. And I really like these 3 simple core kind of basic exercises. Obviously, we're gonna be working our back, our triceps and chest, and then more of our chest here. But these 3 exercises particularly, we're still gonna get other muscle groups worked in there, and those stabilizer muscles. So yeah, we're basically getting like almost our whole entire upper body. And then I'll tell you what we're gonna do for the martial arts aspect in just a second. But let's go ahead and kind of just review these 3 exercises and some key things to know on them. Okay, so on our pull-ups, the biggest thing I see is people tend to do more of like a hollow body pull-up. And by that, I mean they hollow their body this way, like this. This actually isn't the best way to do it. We want to activate more of our back muscles and more so arch our back. I'm not going to go too deep into why, but I'll go ahead and post a video link in the description about why this is a better way to do pull-ups. Basically, we're just going to be activating our back muscles a little bit better. And think of it less as getting my chin above the bar and more of getting my chest to the bar, similar to like doing a row on a row machine. So when I do my pull-up, I like to arch my back and activate my scapulas here. And then I'm gonna pull my chest to the bar, like so. Now, guys, I'm all about quality reps over, you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know if I can do this stuff. This is not quality. I want quality reps. So we're gonna go for 10 pull-ups. Maybe you can only do 5 or 6 really good quality form pull-ups. If so, I highly recommend getting a resistance band. I'll see if I can find the ones I got on Amazon and put them in the description. And it's actually really easy to use. Just pull this down, slip your feet through. I like to put both in. Bada bing, bada boom. And then we're just gonna reach up and grab the bar. And if I start to get tired and I start to kind of lose my form on my pull-ups, this will allow me to keep really good form. And guys, it's gonna be better to have a really good form quality rep, even though it's gonna be, you know, obviously a little less resistance because the bands are gonna help me. but it's better to get a good, perfect rep than it is a crappy rep without the help of the band. So if you need to finish a couple more reps on here, and look at that, I can really activate my back muscles. I can almost hold it at the top. Boom. And that is a super quality pull up. So if you have to do that, do it, guys. There's nothing sissy about it. I use this all the time to get really good quality pull-ups. That's gonna help bring up those reps in the future. Okay, next workout, dips. These are fairly self-explanatory. The biggest thing I see on dips is people tend to stay in the shrug. So they go down, and when they come up, they stay shrugged, like this. I don't know why, to me this is really uncomfortable. I wanna try and come all the way, whoosh, up, all the way to this position. So real quick so you can see, as much as you guys wanna see my white pasty body, we're gonna do sexy time real quick. I feel a little weird, you guys can see my nipples. But I just want you to see back here what I mean. A lot of us tend to stay shrugged. I want you to activate those shoulder and back muscles all the way to the top. That's what I want. So we want to go all the way down, all the way back up. Activate those muscles, not here, but here. That is a quality dip. That's what we want. Okay, last workout is gonna be our push-ups. Main things I see on this. Sometimes I see people put their hands out here. This is not gonna feel great on the shoulders, and you're not really gonna end up activating the right muscles that we wanna activate here. So I want elbows more so in, hands just about shoulder width apart. We're just doing a normal basic push-up today. And I wanna get chest almost all the way to the floor. And when I come back up, again guys, I wanna activate these muscles, and I don't wanna just stop here, right, short. I like to come whoosh. I like to get those Bruce Lee shoulder blades in there. I like to get all the way up. Okay, so all the way, chest to the ground, all the way through and up. That is a good push-up repetition. So we're gonna do 10 pull-ups, 10 dips, and anywhere from about 10 to 15 push-ups depending on your level. And we're gonna do 3 to 5 sets of that, depending on what you can do. If at any time, guys, hey buddy, hello. If at any time you need to, again, use a resistance band, you could do sitting dips on a box or stairs. Or guys, do knee push-ups. Do what you need to do to get quality reps. Okay, so last thing, so in between our reps, this is where we're gonna get the martial art aspect in there. It's gonna be about a minute of whatever you wanna do. I would call it skill work. So whether you're just working on your 1-2, maybe you're working on your teeps. We recently did a video on teeps, check that out. Or round kicks, whatever it is, between your sets, do a minute of skill work. So we get like a good active rest. So we're working out our muscles and we're getting some martial arts training in there as well. So for me lately, I've just been trying to work on getting my high kicks on both the right side and the left side. So between my sets, I'm gonna go ahead and do a minute of high kicks. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Whew. We did 10 pull-ups, 10 dips, 10 to 15 push-ups, depending on your level. Good quality, perfect reps when we can get them. If you have any questions about the exercises, the form, or the equipment, go ahead and leave them in the comments. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss future videos on this body weight playlist. I'll make more of these workouts in the future. This is Jordan with Be Ready Self-Defense. Train perfectly, fight ferociously, and be ready.